What is Zoho Workspace? What are the benefits of using Zoho Workplace? In this video, we will know about the Zoho Workspace and its benefits and how to use this Zoho Workspace easily, as well as paid or free version allos. Okay, Zoho Workplace is an integrated suite of productivity and collaboration applications designed for businesses, similar to Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, or Microsoft 365. It brings together all the essential tools an organization needs to create, communicate, and collaborate, all under one secure, cloud-based platform. Main components of Zoho Workplace. 1. Communication tools. Zoho Mail, ad-free professional email hosting for your domain, e.g., yourname@yourcompany.com. Zoho Cliq, team chat and collaboration, like Slack. Zoho Meeting, video conferencing and webinars. Zoho Connect, internal social network for employee engagement. 2. Office productivity tools. Zoho Writer, online word processor, like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Zoho Sheet, online spreadsheet tool, like Excel or Google Sheets. Zoho Show, presentation software, like PowerPoint or Google Slides. 3. File management and collaboration. WorkDrive, cloud storage and file management for teams, with real-time collaboration and access control. Gear, key features. Centralized dashboard for managing all tools. Real-time document collaboration and commenting. Secure cloud storage with role-based permissions. Integration with Zoho CRM, books, projects, and hundreds of third-party apps. Mobile and desktop apps for easy access. Admin controls for managing users, permissions, and data security. Briefcase who uses Zoho Workplace. Small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs, that need affordable, professional communication and productivity tools. Educational institutions for classroom collaboration. Remote teams for managing communication and projects seamlessly. Money-bag pricing, as of 2025. Zoho offers a free plan with basic features. Paid plans, standard, professional, and mail only, starting from around $1 to $4 per user/month, depending on storage and features. Key benefits. All-in-one integrated suite. Enhanced collaboration and real-time work. Cost-effectiveness. Strong security and data governance. Remote and mobile work readiness. Dashboard and usability convenience. Major drawbacks. Limited third-party integrations. Learning curve and inconsistent UX. Support and service issues. External collaboration friction. Feature gaps/performance limitations. Storage and plan limitations for smaller tiers. Needed good internet connections.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Zoho Workspace very easily. Go to Google Chrome, you must connect with the internet, and tap Zoho Workspace here. Search bar, let's click enter. Then after, here is the first link, let's click that. And first you have to sign in. After the get started. Here are the price of the workspace, and here are the features what you will get after buying. Okay, click the sign in option. Sign in with Gmail account also. Just click the Gmail. I'm going to create a new account here in Zoho Workspace. And we have to enter your number also here for the verification and security purpose also. click the verify, click continue. This time I muted it. Okay, you have to buy first the package, then after all features will be available there. Hence you can use the Zoho Workspace concurrence.